shit up.
Today I'm going to show you how to place your photo on any subject. First, go to Selection tab, click on it, then click on Subject. After selection process, go to Layer panel and duplicate the first layer to hide the background. Then right-click on first layer and click on Convert to Smart Object. Then select the 0 layer and make copy by pressing Ctrl+J. Then move the copy over first layer by pressing Ctrl+right bracket. Now press Ctrl+Shift and U to saturate the layer. Then press Ctrl+Alt and G to produce clipping mask. Then press Alt-Shift-J to change blend-in mode to linear light. And last, press Shift and any value between 0 and 5 to overlay the object texture over your photo. If you like this video, then subscribe my channel.